Hello guys, Brian here, and welcome to the Jurassic World Rebirth Nighttime Unboxing. Because I'm doing this unboxing at night instead of daytime. As you can see on my sofa, I put some dinosaurs, Jurassic World Rebirth dinosaurs I unboxed in earlier videos. If you want to see them, go check them out on my channel. They should be some of the more recent ones. Well, actually, prior to this video being here, as you're watching, the next video down or below should be the Jurassic World Rebirth unboxings of previous dinosaur toys. See, I have some on there because I want to kind of decorate it. So, the dinosaur toy I'm going to be unboxing, which is one of the Jurassic World Rebirth toys, is the Lab Lockdown Tyrannosaurus Rex. Here's the box itself, the front, with the T-Rex, some of the action features, and also the size, which is, let's see, 18 inches. Scenery, Jurassic World Rebirth logo. The sides, here's this top view and bottom view. Here's the back. Let's get this thing open with, because I want to do this a fast one, because I actually only have one to open. I have one to unbox, and it's not like a large one, like the Titanosaurus over there. If you've not seen the Titanosaurus video, check it out on check it out if you want to after doing this one. Wow, this one's stuck, really stuck. Got the tail open. Here's the tail, and let's get the body of the T-Rex. Although it's stuck. Oh, I think there might be some things under it, which means I'm gonna have to cut the box open. There. I think there's like something on under its feet. Yeah, there's something under its feet. Well, we're getting kind of closer to unboxing, completely. Here's the T-Rex. Saying that just completely took it out of the box. Here's the tail, and connect it. It's gonna be like this, and click. Here's the Lab Lockdown Tyrannosaurus Rex. Design is actually really cool. I like it. I love its brown color with dark stripes, and it actually looks really bulky. It actually looks like a very bulky T-Rex, because T-Rex is actually pretty bulky. Here's the scan code of the T-Rex if you want to. You can see over there. I like the sculpt of it. I like that the painted toenails, the toenails here are black, but it's not because they're painted, it's because I think they're connected to the foot. Interesting design. So not much use of paint for this part of the feet. Obviously, the paint is for stripes under part of the neck and torso. I guess also the eye, the jaws. Whoever made this is pretty talented at painting. Although could have painted the nails. Also, the arms of the T-Rex are slightly different. I don't really have a T-Rex that I can show you the different arms, because now the arms are like this. You can see the arms of the T-Rex. Fingers go like that, that's how it looks. And then older T-Rexes, their fingers straight ahead instead of kind of just inwards to the side. You know what I mean, or maybe not. For the articulation of this thing, the neck is a ball joint. This one has a ball jointed neck, which is actually interesting. I thought it would be where you can control the neck with the tail, but no, it's just a ball jointed neck and a ball jointed tail. It actually moves pretty smoothly. The arms can go splay like this, and can like that, and it can also move as well too. For the legs, unlike the dinosaur toys that I've showed you, this one has a spread legs, so you can actually spread the legs. Unlike most of the Jurassic World Rebirth toys that I've unboxed, they can't even spread their legs. Well, this one can. Also, the legs can move. And the feet can move. And also we have the tail, which is, as I already said, a ball joint. And can't move this part of the tail. It's like stuck. For the action feature, you have this button right here, and you can press the button, and its mouth will open, and its tongue actually is not like down. It's actually like sticking out. Something that's very interesting is that this T-Rex, even though it has a button, which it has an action feature, this one does not make any noise. This is not like a roaring, it's a chomping feature. So you can basically have it, let me get a dinosaur or creature. I have this Instructocervia, and it can actually like bite it down. Its teeth is rubber, so if I put it like this, the teeth will bend like that. Pretty interesting feature, and no roaring for this one. I'm okay with it not having a roaring feature, but I mean, if it did have a roaring feature, I guess I would be okay with it too. Let's do some size comparisons with the T-Rex, which is 18 inches, compared to the Spinosaurus I got, the Danger Set Spino. If I can compare them, it looks like the T-Rex might be slightly longer. Spino might be a bit larger than the T-Rex, but I don't know. Definitely the Titanosaurus over there is bigger than the T-Rex, and some of the corresponding dinosaurs over here, like this one, and then these three, you can barely see them. There it is. They're smaller than the T-Rex, because it's 18 inches long. I don't know about the height of this thing. Probably like, I don't know, 6 or 5. I'm not sure if you saw that, but my battery's kind of low. But since the unboxing is kind of short and I'm doing this at night, I'm gonna stop right there. Sorry that this unboxing was way shorter than all the other unboxings, but that's just because I only have one figure, and it's not like a figure that I have to assemble that hard, like assembling it in multiple pieces like the Titanosaurus. And I don't really have much to say about this T-Rex. It's pretty awesome. However, I'll stop there. Leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on the bell of the notifications. And, well, probably see you later on the next video, if I can, because, well, it's going to be really hard to get the other Jurassic World toys. So, well, see you later. In the next video, whenever that'll be. Bye-bye.